Michelle from Sing Up, and I want to tell you about an exciting new partnership between Sing Up and the School Musicals Company. When I first came across their publications, I was really impressed with the quality of their resources, and I really think that your pupils will enjoy putting on their musicals and activities. Here to tell you a bit more about it is Tom Kirkham from the School Musicals Company.
We're absolutely delighted to be entering into a partnership with Sing Up. We both believe in the power of singing, whether that's as part of the choir, in assemblies, within the classroom. In partnership together, we believe we can offer incredibly high quality resources, accessible, great fun, and all very easy to find online.
Exactly that. So Sing Up's always been committed to supporting teachers to lead singing right across the school day, right across the school year, and we feel we're even better equipped to do that now in partnership with the School Musicals Company. So to find out more about the partnership, you can head online either to our website, which is singup.org, or to the School Musicals Company website, which is theschoolmusicalscompany.com.